Good evening, one and all. Respected Vice Chancellor and Dr. Anantham sir and Director R&D and all my colleagues. Today we underwent a workshop for research proposal writing for getting grants from the granting agencies. So it was very informative, and sir has detailed about each aspect of the how to get grants from the granting agencies, and also he also told that we will assist you in all aspect from research. If you are ready to give an abstract, so we will assist you in all aspect. He told like that. It was very informative, and certainly we will come up with research proposals. Sir has told that so you should get at least 5 grants by end of March. Sure, sir. We will come up with research proposals and we will get a grants as per your guidance, sir. Thank you very much.
And good evening, one and all. The 2 days workshop, which is organized by Research and Development Department. Then the 2 days when we undergone the workshop, the right experts were identified by this R&D cell, and he was explaining very beautifully how to write the research proposal, starting from writing the research proposals and followed by the funding agencies which are ready to fund the projects. Very well he has explained the procedure and where we need to approach, where we need to apply, and how we need to mobilize and approach the funding agencies, and how technically we need to write the research proposals, and how best we can able to make our research proposals in simplest form and get the project accepted. Thank you very much, sir. Very rightly you have been pointed out all the issues which is relating to the writing, starting from writing the proposal till to approach the funding agencies. Thank you very much, sir. Definitely we will assure you that the next year, till the next year, we will write the proposals and we'll get the good projects. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Dr. Anantharam sir, Advisor, Higher Education, Accreditation and Research Promotion, to address the gathering.
Respected Vice Chancellor, sir, respected Madam Director, Head R&D, so she gave me the opportunity to interact with you faculty members, and during the 2-day interaction I came to know there is a lack of communication regarding the opportunities available with the funding agency as well as the faculty, that you people are busy in your day-to-day activities which is assigned by the university, but as per the new education policy, our university should transform from teaching institution to a research institution, as well as our teacher should be transformed into a researcher or scientist. For that purpose, around 40 plus funding agencies are discussed with the 2 days workshop, that there plenty of opportunities are there, and I also have a more than 24-year experience to helping you out to writing a proposal from scratch. So during the interaction I came to know many of the faculty members did not try for the submission of proposals because either they are not aware about the funding agencies available or not, or where they can submit the projects. So there are different kind of projects are there. I mentioned in detail that core research grant project is there, seminar conference projects are there, travel grant projects are available, as well as innovation projects are available. Different categories of project funding grants are available. So during my 2-day interaction, I just make you friendly and let you know that if you take one step ahead towards the writing of project, I'll come forward for 2 steps and make a bridge between the funding agencies and the university, so that each and funding opportunity our institution can avail. So I make sure if you people come forward every month, you will come with a draft proposal title. I will connect you with the respective schemes or funding agencies where you can apply, and I'll make you enabled to prepare and submit 8 to 10 proposal every year. And if you're able to submit 8 to 10 proposal, I make sure each and every faculty will get at least 1 or 2 projects sanctioned every year. So this way, minimum 5 to 10 crore funding we can get. So only thing is, I need some support from your side also. So if you start writing proposals, so slowly all the deficiency will be removed, and we will transform our institution in coming 3 to 5 years into a top research institution in India. Thank you from my side.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable contribution. We would like to express our gratitude for gracing this occasion. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to do the honoring for the resource person.
Good evening to all. Respected Dr. Anantram and my colleague, Professor Rajeshwari, and my dear colleagues, my student friends. As you know very well about our university system, in the university system or any higher education system, we have the 4 criterias. The one is teaching, learning, and the research and extension. Here, the almost all ODL universities, that is lagging, the research is lagging. Because of that, I told, when I joined, I saw the research, that is activities in the university. I came to know that the research activities is very poor performance. That is why I told the Rajeshwari madam, we have to go for the conference, seminars, and the research, writing the research proposal. We already, earlier also, we had one, that is a workshop, online workshop. Sir, Dr. Anantram, sir, again, he spoke with all our chairmen for writing the projects. As you know, our younger students are there. That is, sincerely, if you make the efforts for writing the proposal, our India is very rich, and especially in the education and all other resources also. We have a very good plan. Any that is projects or plans or funding agencies, that is implementation part is failure, especially in India. Now, whatever the projects are there, whatever the plans are there, we are not at all implementing properly because of so many reasons. That is why even in the higher education institution, now teachers are not ready to write the proposal. That is, there are so many funding agencies are there. That is almost, sir told, the 14 funding agencies are there. In science especially, there are DST project. If you go for the DST, almost 10 to 15 crores they will give. And our teachers, they have to plan. And especially, our planning should be there. Always teachers should have our own ethics. And especially, our nation can be built on the basis of the quality of education. Otherwise, you know very well about, if there is no quality, we cannot progress our India. If there is no research, we cannot do the innovations. Because of the innovations, we got the light and we got so many technologies. I think, you know, Thomas Alva Edison, he experimented 50,000 times to invent the light. I think my younger students, they are knowing very well about that. 50,000 times. Then if you do the hard work, if you do the sincere work, then automatically we can progress in our life. First of all, our teachers, means in ODL program teachers, they have to think about our research project proposals. And sir is ready to give the ideas for the research proposal. And what I want to tell you now, almost all young teachers are there and young students. Always we have to do the hard work. My younger students, they have to plan, teacher also. The 24 hours is given to all. In the 24 hours, you have to plan. The 8 hours we have to spend in the college, 8 hours, especially for teacher also. And 8 hours what we have to do. Again 8 hours what we are doing. You have to plan it. If you plan it, then automatically you can achieve definitely. What the Vivekananda told, you, what? Awake, 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 until where? ಹೇಳಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅದು ಗುರಿ ಏನು ಗುರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಗುರಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೋಲ್ to achieve the highest marks and with the quality education. That is very important for especially for student. And teacher also to teach well and to do the research well. That is very important. Especially 2 days workshop, what attentively we have to attend. Any workshop, any the conference, any symposium, we have to attend attentively. Then only we can learn something. Otherwise, half-heartedly it is very difficult to learn. Anyone. That is why sincerely we have to try and we have to achieve anything, you have to try well. And the Rajeshwari madam and Anantram sir, both they have struggled to give the knowledge to our teacher, how to write the proposal, what is a proposal, how many funding agencies are there, and how to write specifically, that is very important. Specific is very important. Only the actually BRC, Baba Atomic Research Center, they gave the thin film technology, the research project on the basis of only the actually half page proposal only. Yes. Your idea, your original ideas are very important. Research means actually innovation. Innovation means your original ideas, not copy from the others. That is why your ideas, that original thinking, that should be implemented in the practical way. That is application form. That is why I request all my teachers to do the hard work for the taking the proposal projects from the funding agencies. And I wish all my students best wishes to them, and you do hard work. You can achieve anything. Thank you, Manadal.
Thank you, sir. I would request Dr. Mahesh sir, Director PMEB, KSOU, for vote of thanks.
Good evening, respected dignitaries on the dais and my dear colleague friends and invitees. we came to an end of today's workshop on writing research proposal for research grants. It's my great privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. First, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Sharanappa V. Halse sir, who always encourages for us to conduct these kinds of the academic programs. He is always supporting us, and he is a backbone for this today's program. Thank you very much, sir, on behalf of the R&D cell, on behalf of all my colleagues and students, friends. He has delivered a very wonderful lectures, and he has taken the sessions very lively, and he has motivated all our faculty members and the students to write the research proposal. Thank you very much, sir, for your 2 days, your time and you spent here. Thank you. And I would like to thank Dr. Savita madam, who is Mica College, who always support us for bringing out the certain projects. I should not forget thank to Dr. Rajeshwari H, who is always an enthusiastic, and she is always innovative to conduct this today's training program. Thank you, madam, on behalf of all my colleagues. I thank you once again. I thank all the students of Mica College who are here for this program. Thank you on behalf of the university and all my colleagues. I thank all my dear colleagues and my friends and non-teaching staff of your R&D cell, PMEB and the NAC. Thank you once again, everyone.